Hi there, students. Timbre and timber. One's got an RE and the other one's got an ER. I have heard the one ending in RE also pronounced timbre because it comes from French, but I would stick to the timber pronunciation for the RE. I'd use timber for both of them. Okay, so they're both nouns. Timbre with an RE is talking about the quality of sound, what makes two people's voices different, or two musical instruments sing from sound different. So, for example, imagine a guitar and a piano playing exactly the same note at exactly the same volume. You will be able to hear the difference, and that difference is the timbre. Yeah, the timbre, the tone quality. Okay, and this is the idea of timbre. If you've ever inhaled helium, the timbre of your voice goes up. Yeah, so the pitch goes up and it changes the timbre of your voice. It changes the quality of your voice and how you sound. Now, timbre, ER ending, is an uncountable noun, and this talks about wood used for building, or trees that are grown so that the wood can be used for building. Yeah, these trees are being grown for timber. I need to go to the timber yard and get some 4x2 planks. Okay, so timber, it's long pieces of wood used for building, particularly for building houses, although maybe for ships as well. You need to put some sort of preservative on this timber because otherwise it's going to rot in the rain. Yeah, it was a timber house, okay, a timber cottage in the country. One of the products that Scandinavia produces is timber. A lot of it is pine, okay, and then also you can shout timber when you've got a lumberjack cutting a tree. He shouts timber because it's falling over, okay? So look out, there's a tree falling. Okay, so the timbre of the voice, RE, the characteristic quality of a sound. The timbre of her voice is unique, yeah? Okay, you can also probably use it to mean, more figuratively, to mean characteristic. This essay bears the timbre of Roland. Okay, it's got his distinctive style, his distinctive character, and this is the RE. So the style of, yeah, but timbre. His voice had a deep timbre to it. Okay, this is RE, and it's talking about the quality of a sound, yeah, independent of the volume or the note that is being played. Okay, and then timbre with an ER. This is trees in a forest as a source of wood, or pre-cut wood that is ready to use for construction. Yeah, you go to the timber yard and you buy some timber from the timberman. Okay, you even have a timber wolf who lives among the timber, among the wood. So let's see, timber as wood, ER. How formal is this? I think I would give this a 5 in formality. You could use it just about anywhere. And then timbre, as in the RE, the quality of the voice. This is a much more technical term. I would give this probably a 7 or an 8 in formality. It's a very musical word. Or this has the timbre of a speech by a conservative politician. Again, this is really quite formal and literary, so a 7 in formality. Also, actually notice that the wood meaning, you can use that to describe a person who has certain qualities, who's suited for a particular activity. So this guy is executive timber. Yeah, he's managerial timber. He's presidential timber. He's a person regarded as having the qualities necessary for this. And then timber, the wood. So you need to buy some timber and build yourself a timber hut in the garden. And I can tell by the timbre of his voice that he is very tired. Okay? And then as to origin, so the timbre of the voice, RE, it comes from French timbre, which itself ultimately comes from ancient Greek tupanon, meaning a drum, tupanon, taipanon. Panum, yeah, is a type of drum. And the timber, as in the wood, well, there's an old English word, timber, meaning wood, which comes from a Proto-Germanic word, timra, meaning timber or a building. And that itself comes from Proto-Indo-European, dem, meaning build or a house. Okay? So, timber, yeah, the timbre of somebody's voice, the quality of tone. This has the timbre of a great artist, the specific qualities of. And then timber, ER, meaning wood for construction or trees grown for construction. And then, yeah, he's of presidential timber. He has the quality to do this. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Timber and timber.